Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to turn off music effect in Mini Games Calm and Relax application. If you want to enjoy Mini Games without the sound effect, then first of all, launch the Mini Games Calm and Relax app on your mobile device, and from the home page, look for the gear button at the top right corner and tap on it. This will open up the settings menu. Simply go ahead and tap on the music and sound button and make sure that both of them are turned off. Once both of the options is turned off, you will not hear any background music in the game. If you prefer to mute the app entirely, you can also use your phone's physical mute switch or adjust the device's volume using the side buttons. So that's how you easily turn off music on Mini Games Calm and Relax and enjoy sound-free experience. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.